In this video, I'm going to guide you through on the wallpaper set on iPhone. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your settings, right? If you love to change your wallpaper for any reasons, this is what we're going to do right now. This is the settings, right? So scroll down gradually, click on this wallpaper. When it comes to wallpaper, right, you're going to see the previously added one, right? This was our previous wallpaper. So this is the current one, right? So if you love to set a new wallpaper, just click on this add new wallpaper, right here you're going to see a whole lot of options from iOS, right? The future, the weather, and astronomy, right? You're going to select any one of your choice from all these different sets, right? You can select the home screen and the lock screen, right? So it's going to appear two sides, right? So for instance, now this is the home screen, right? This is the lock screen. This is the home screen, this is the lock screen, right? So this is basically how it's going to appear. So if you still have some photos in your iPhone, right, and you love to use it as wallpaper, just click on these photos right here. Once you click on it, you're going to see some previously added wallpapers on my phone, right? So if I click on this right now, this is what is going to come out as our lock screen, right? So this is Dubai, right? So this is basically what is going to come out as our lock screen. So if I click on this, if you click on this photo shuffle as well, you're going to see some photos, right? It can just manually choose photos for you, right? So if you click on this live photos, if you have any live photo on your device, it's going to do that for you. Then the emojis, you're going to see, you can select this, right? You can even put this, like you can come on here and select, you can select this, right? Like you can use this random emoji for this, right? So you can just change it, right? So it's gonna be 6, right? It's gonna be 6. So you can just do this if you want. So you can still go back, you can select, you can use the color. If you click on this color right now, you can change it with color, right? Any one of your choice. So we're gonna just go back. If you click on the astronomy, you can use this, right? So yeah, this is it basically. So if you click on this weather, it can use the weather as well, right? So this is basically how you can do this, right? If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.